Welcome back, and let us continue from where we left off. Now, these are the concepts that we have already been through, whereby we have looked at the value of a currency in relation to other currencies, foreign exchange rates in different currencies, and recognizing a weaker and a stronger currency. Now, the terminology that you should be remembering is to estimate the value of a currency in relation to the other currencies and a stronger and a weaker currencies. You should be able to differentiate between those two. Right, so now you need to remember that when comparing currencies of different countries, a common mistake would be not to know whether to multiply or to divide when you convert between the currencies. So remember, I have shown you that you must start by writing what you know, and then you'll be able to realize whether you are multiplying or you are dividing. Now, the exchange rate is comparing currencies of different countries with a purpose of converting to the other currency. You will also use the given converting factor to convert to the other currency. Remember, we have said that the exchange rate, they fluctuate or they change on daily basis. So you will have to work with what you are given at that given moment. You also need to note that you must check the exchange rate when planning to buy imported goods or traveling to another country, as they change on daily basis, the exchange rates. Right, so now let us look at what we can work on, which is our challenge question. So we have a family of 3 that is planning a 4-day trip to Australia. Their costs are as follows. So they are planning to take a trip to another country, and they are planning on buying return trip tickets. So when we talk of a return trip, it means I am paying to and from. So it's a return trip. The accommodation, which is 8,650, including 3 meals, a tour drive, which will cost them 230 rand. So you are to calculate the total cost, meaning the total amount that they'll be paying for the entire trip, and that total amount needs to be converted to Australian currency. So now, firstly, remember, you need to look at the converting factor or the given exchange rate in that particular moment. And you must also again check the ticket amount. So if it says return trip, it means for each and everyone in this family will be paying a return trip, meaning to and from. The accommodation, including 3 meals and a tour drive. So after you have calculated all these costs, you will have to add them together and convert to Australian currency. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and you now understand exchange rates better. Thank you so much. I will see you again next time.